starting my vlog in the car. I look pretty pale because hindi ko natapos yung makeup ko. I still don't have blush on and lipstick. And kaya dito na ako nag-start ng vlog kasi maliliit na ako actually. I can't look at the camera properly because I'm driving. Today is my meeting with the interior designer for my new room, and I just want to bring you guys with me. I was thinking kanina hindi na lang ako mag-vlog, but I think sobrang interesting nun kasi soon yun na yung magiging background ko and doon na talaga ako nakatira. So I'm already here at our house. The font is finished na.
Hindi mo ba ilaw?
Oh, ganda. Bakit ako wala ko chandelier?
Wala naman dyan kasi sa harapan yung design mo lang.
So, papagawa nila ako sa kanila. Ano ginagawa sa taas? So, this is my sister's room. Ayan, mas malaki yung room ko, obviously. So, that is my room over there. Ako yung may pinakapangit na CR actually.
Bakit ako? Buti lang. Ha? Guess room? Okay ba yung light ka lang?
Oo. Going up to the third floor, my third wing. So, the audio is really bad and gusto ko pa rin mag-upload kasi sayang naman yung mga footages na nakuha ko. And I don't think na makakuha pa ako ng footages like this kasi hindi na siguro ako pupunta sa site. So, here, I'm just showing my mom's first walk-in closet. Doon niya ilalagay yung mga accessories niya and bags. And here, they have pantry dun sa room nila. Sobrang funny pero meron talaga silang pantry for siguro midnight snack nila ng dad ko. And yeah. Yung mom ko, pinagmamayabang niya yung chandelier niya. Pero in fairness, maganda naman. 'Di ba? So, ang init. So, I have to walk around. Ayan, naglalakad lang ako sa kanilang walk-in closet. So, this is my mom's walk-in closet. Yung pang-clothes talaga nila. And, here naman is their bath area talaga. As in, yung bath area talaga. Yung bathtub and all that. And then, ito yung sa dad ko naman, na walk-in closet ng dad ko. And then, yung washing area nila. And toilet pala dun sa loob. And overlooking ng pond. Ayan. So, dito na ako sa ground floor. And this is how it looks like here. Ayan yung entrance. And then, this is our living room. The pond again, parang ngayon ko lang napansin na the pond is in the middle. Electric circuit here, dirty kitchen here. Ito yung dirty kitchen namin. Then paglabas mo, papunta ka na sa maid's quarter, tsaka dun sa laundry area. Ayan. So let's go back. This is our pantry. Ayan, mga grocery and stuff. And this is our kitchen. Excited na ako gumawa ng mga cooking something dyan. Then this is another room. This is my grandparents' room. Sa baba lang sila. Ayan yung room nila. And overlooking uli sa pond. Apparently, gitnang-gitna talaga yung pond. Then here, this is their walk-in closet. So, ayan na yung pond. Tapos na nila i-landscape. Ayan. And our garage. And our automatic door. Okay, so yun lang. Probably by September or October, nandito na kami. Excited na ako gumawa dito ng mga OOTDs. Ayan o. Welcome to our house! Ayan. So, punta kami dito, bangka. Pupunta ka dito sa pond over there. So, ito yung main view ng house, pero hindi ko siya nakikita.
Ito yung main. Wala siyang white. Ito.
Balik na kami sa office and medyo gutom na ako pero carry lang. Ma, susi. Kuya yung susi. Currently, inside the car, dinrive ko yung mom ko sa warehouse naming isa. Look guys. Ayan yung family business namin. Plastics siya. Tapos, imemelt mo siya sa machine to make it a raw material for plastics. Yun lang. So hungry. Hindi pa pala ako nagda-drops. And guys, sobrang hulas na ng makeup ko. Currently at the office, waiting for Charles kasi manonood kami ng sine. Yes. So, I'm inside the car. Hello, baby! Diet feels. Ano siya, diet na din because of me. So yeah guys, manood na kami ng movie ni Charles. Yung Secret Life of Pets. Tapos na namin manood ng movie. Super cute. Worth watching eh, diba?
Come on, man, hurry it up.
May after ano pa pala. May parang after pa siya. So yeah guys, I'm home already and sobrang kumalat yung eyeliner ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog and until my next vlog, bye!